So I'm going to be doing this unboxing here by Tamiya. So here's the body. So here's the body of the car. That's bit of standing needs to be done. So this is the Subaru I'm going to be doing. So you get see-through glass, but you get the helmet of the drivers, you get disc brake and everything you need, even the suspension underneath of the car again. So these are lights of the back and indicators and everything like that is there. So this is the inside of the car, the roll cage, the front of the car is there, the rear spoiler and everything is there, the grille and everything is here. The wheels, so you get detailed wheels for bodying with and everything like that. So the engine, or part of the engine, is here. So you're getting the exhaust, the part of the engines and everything like that. Disc brakes, back disc brakes, the inside of the car and the lights are here on the tires. So you get bucket seats obviously, and you get a steering wheel. I'm gonna have to keep them this colourway. Gold. Because Subarus, especially rally ones, always have gold wheels. The wheels, they're quite thin. The wall is quite thin on them. Got no white writing on the walls, but the wheels are sort of look quite decent. But I am going to make this look a bit more muddy than it is because I'm going to be doing a data one. So you get window decals where you peel them off and put them on the windows, and these are quite good. I like having these decals. There are quite a few decals you have to put on. You get an option with numbers. I can't remember what number I need to pick to get the right one. Number 5 anyway. But you get some decals. These are the decals you get. The names and even the SDI. No, write them. Or you can get these. Yeah. Yeah, I need to do these down there. Or not that much. And you'll see that. You have to for a light. It says there. For the light. And what you do is I think you go inside. So you don't have to paint. So like here, you can't paint inside there and you still want to use silver. So that's the reason why behind. It's also got mirrors on it as well. I've seen that before. But another thing is what I've never seen before is this one here. That goes on to this part here. And that is for I've never seen that in a kit before. So I know I've only been building for 2 years, but